Let's talk about $16 trillion. That's the conservative estimate from none other than the Boston Consultancy Group for the tokenized real-world asset sector by 2030. To put that into perspective, we are talking about a chunk of global liquidity that could reshape the entire financial system. And here's the kicker. This revolutionary is already underway with giants like BlackRock leading the charge using ONDO Finance. Now, ONDO has partnered with Navi protocol on the SUI blockchain to unlock new yield opportunities for DeFi users. Now, if you're looking for the next major wave in crypto, this is it. Stick around to the very end to find out why SUI and ONDO might be your ticket to life-changing gains. Let's get it. I'm not a financial advisor. Welcome to BitBoy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors on the planet. I'm your host, the BitBoy. If you're serious about making the very most of this bull run right now and getting in early on trends like RWAs, then you're in the right place. We're talking about RWAs, DeFi, and the partnership between Navi protocol and ONDO Finance on the SUI blockchain. Now, this is next level stuff you don't want to miss. Let's start with the big picture. The global liquidity pool is a staggering $108 trillion, and that's just liquid money. It doesn't include real estate, stock markets, or precious metals. Now, this massive ocean of money has remained largely untouched by blockchain until now. Real-world assets are being tokenized and moved onto the blockchain, enabling things like real estate bonds and private equity to be turned into, yes, that's right, tokenized assets. Now, these can be traded seamlessly on chain. This isn't just a cool idea. It's happening right now. And BlackRock is at the forefront with ONDO Finance leading the charge. Now, let's dive in to the game-changing partnership between Navi protocol and ONDO Finance. Now, Navi is the largest DeFi protocol on the SUI blockchain, measured by total value locked, or TVL. ONDO Finance, on the other hand, has become the go-to platform for tokenizing RWAs. Together, they're bringing USDY, ONDO's yield-earning stablecoin, to the SUI ecosystem. So what does this mean for you? Well, since October 16th, Navi users have been able to access real-world asset-backed yields through the USDY liquidity pool. Think about that. You can earn stable, reliable yields backed by assets like US Treasuries, all while staying on chain. Now, this isn't just a step forward for DeFi, it's a leap into the future. SUI has been carving out its place as one of the most promising layer 1 blockchains, and there's the SUI queen herself. That's right. It's fast, scalable, and developer-friendly, which is why Navi protocol has become the cornerstone of its DeFi ecosystem. So with this partnership, SUI is positioning itself as a hub for tokenized RWAs, giving a competitive edge over other layer 1s. And let's not forget SUI's community. The project has seen explosive growth and adoption, and this Navi and ONDO collaboration, well, it could be the catalyst that pushes SUI even further into the spotlight. Now, if you're holding SUI, this is a trend you're going to want to watch closely. Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture here. By 2030, tokenized RWAs are projected to hit $16 trillion. That's over 5 times the current market cap of all cryptocurrencies combined. Think about that. This isn't just a side hustle for blockchain, it's an opportunity for DeFi to capture a significant slice of global liquidity. As traditional finance continues inflating the money supply, as they always do, tokenized assets are becoming a secure, transparent, and efficient way to manage wealth. Platforms like Navi and ONDO are democratizing access to yields that were once reserved for institutions, giving everyday users a chance to benefit. Are you looking for a reliable crypto exchange with low fees and high security? The search can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Join Phemex using my affiliate link to get up to an $8,800 trading bonus right now. Experience top-notch trading features, low fees, and strong security. Click the link in the description to get started today. Now, if you're an investor looking for secure ways to earn yield, this is your moment. The Navi and ONDO partnership on SUI, it represents one of the most compelling opportunities in DeFi today. stable yields, okay? USDY is backed by real-world assets, offering a level of security and reliability that's hard to match if you can match it in DeFi. It has ease of access. SUI's user-friendly ecosystem makes it easy for anyone, even beginners, to participate. It's got massive upside as RWAs capture more of the global liquidity pool. Early adopters are going to stand to gain the most. So just think about it. Crypto isn't about only digital assets anymore. We're bridging the gap between traditional finance and blockchain. It's one thing now. We're creating new opportunities for yield, diversification, and long-term growth. So listen, what's the takeaway here? What's the point? The Navi and ONDO partnership on the SUI blockchain isn't just another DeFi integration. It's a glimpse into the future of finance. Tokenized real-world assets, they are becoming a cornerstone of the global economy. And platforms like Navi and ONDO are leading the way. If you're holding SUI, you're in a prime position to benefit from this trend. And if you're looking for secure ways to grow your portfolio, exploring Navi's USDY liquidity pool is an absolute no-brainer. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research and see why this could be one of the biggest moves of the year. What do you guys think about the Navi and ONDO partnership? Are tokenized RWAs the next big thing, or is this just the beginning? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's get the conversation started. Crypto isn't just evolving, guys. It's transforming. The opportunities are massive. And if you play your cards right, 2025 could be your most profitable year yet. That's all I got. Be blessed. Big boy out.